Okay, so this is Wegovy, the auto injector for Wegovy. And what you do for Wegovy is you take off the cap, and you'll see that the goal is to bury this gray piece inside the white piece. And it needs to stay buried there for the entire course of the injection, okay? That's the big mistake that sometimes people make, is that they push on it to make the gray piece go away, but then they let it go real quickly. You want to push on it and maintain that pressure throughout the entire duration of the injection. So what you're going to do is, again, use either the outer leg usually or the abdomen. You can use the back of your arm, which is easier to do this direction, for example, than to do this direction. And again, with both of these injections, you can use any of these locations. But what you do is you put it up against your skin, and you're going to, again, press down on your skin firmly so that that gray piece goes inside the white piece, and hold it there throughout the entire duration. It's going to make a click. You hold it firmly against your skin, you hear that second click, which is about 5 or 6 seconds later, then you know you can release the pressure and take it off. What some people do with this device in particular, more so than the other devices, is they might just go like this. And if you do that, it's just going to squirt all over. So you don't want to do that. You want to push it against your skin. With this device also, you can see that as you're pushing it against your skin, you can see in that window a yellow bar coming across the window, which is also another indication that the medicine is being put into your skin, right? So you can also watch that, especially if you're doing that on your leg or someplace where you can actually see that window.